Hey, welcome. My name's Maddie, and I live in this self-converted minivan, which today we're cleaning. That was a lot of work, but it's over now. Those floor mats really made everything easy, because I don't know how big of a screen you're watching this on, but there was like lines of dirt left behind by my old floor mats, and so I just vacuumed those out, and now I put the new mat over top of it, and it's like fitted perfectly to my car. They make them special for each model of car, and now it's just fitting so smoothly that if I go somewhere with sand, mud, maybe even somewhere with snow someday, like, it's gonna be fine. It'll just sit on top. When it dries, I can just pick up the mat and shake it out instead of the old carpeted or rubber mats that don't really fit. The company that makes those are called 3D Mats, and they actually sent them to me so I could talk about them in a video. But the best part is we get a discount code. It's Maddie 3D10. I'll put that in the description if you forget. But if you just use that when you check out, you get a discount. And they're handy to have. If you're in the market for floor mats in whatever vehicle you have, I would definitely check them out. If this has been interesting to you to see my van and see how I live, I do make informational videos and vlogs as I travel around to each of the 50 states, and the goal is to go on an outdoor adventure and drink the local beer in each one, thus the name, Beer in Beautiful Places. So whether this is your first video of mine you've seen, or you've been a subscriber for a while now, I hope to see you again next time. Bye!